2018 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a 5-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control. Inside you'll find low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power steering, driver vanity mirror, passenger vanity mirror, 8 speakers, tilt steering wheel, CD player, compass, front bucket seats. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable, all traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there. Come take a test drive today.